shoot with precision. Y'all niggas would think that a young nigga shoot like I play with the pros. You niggas can't fuck with me. Y'all niggas broke, better get off your ass and go get you a load. Young nigga hard body, you know I won't fold. These niggas on D tryna be on my song. I'ma slap out the gang, give a fuck out of wrong. 29, nigga. Free the game. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Skrappa, whole lot of Glocks, whole lot of switches. I tend to spots, I leave before a nigga missing. These niggas gon' fall, so I'm keeping my distance. They switch like the weather, you'll see all the envy. Switch on the Glock, this a 10mm. Whole lot of drugs, Power 8 in a liter. She eat up the dick while we in the two-seater. Man, free the whole game and it's open, they free her. Stuck in the hood, I was broke, hitting licks. And no cap in my rap, I spit them with the truth. Stop asking me questions, I don't have a clue. You got robbed with your stick, boy, you little niggas lose. He claiming he gangster, but we know the truth. Pillow talking for hoes, boy, your ass is a goose. Like he drunk, he get shot. If you think I'm a fool, and it's either get A, better stay with that tool. Let's go. Walk on the beat, they like AP, you flowing. Tax on the boss, man, they think that I'm hoeing. Get off your ass, cause your pockets look broken. You can't be the gang, you ain't having no motion. Nope, let's go. You broke, but you trapping, that shit that look bogus. Damn, let's go. I'm on the block, bitch, I post with my Glock. I was robbing and trapping, I didn't have a job. My clients are good, I just post at the spot. If I catch me, I better go draw the charge. And I came from the hood, you ain't seen what I see. I'm a champ from the gutter, I need me a rig. Y'all snitch on each other, that's why y'all free. Get the pack off the glass, bitch, I feel like Kareem. Let's go. I was never at school, I was kicking in doors. If you snitch on the gang, then your ass gotta go. 556 hit a op nigga dome. He in critical condition, he couldn't make it home. Niggas on dick cause my money real low. Told the bitch I don't look, better leave me alone. Cause I keep me focused, this shit really strong. I don't like what he's saying, better watch how you talk. Let's go. Free my members, they locked in them chains. First week out, but this shit hasn't changed. In the scrapyard gang till I'm down in that grave. Recording this hoe while I bust on her face. You want smoke with no pole, what the fuck is you saying? Drop me a bag, get him gone in some days. Grab my ski, grab my gloves from the slot on the odds, but we don't even trade. No, you got you a gun, but you ain't shooting back at your place in that field, bitch. I feel like I'm dead. When I kick down your door, I'ma need all the racks. Your pockets got lids, you don't know how to stack. And I'm trying to shed blood, ain't no time for a chat. Stack, whole lot of racks. Try to play me too close, you get stabbed in your back. Let's go. Op off the op, cross him off of the list. I just made a go. Chop got a kick. 223 split it for a nigga with told to keep it lit, go just eat up the dick. And it's smoke in the air, better keep you a stick. Body for body, we kill your whole clique. Your glizzy got stands, my Glock got a dick. Get a chop with a Glock, tell me what do you pick? Oh, let's go. On the odds block, trying to catch me a body. These niggas on dick, I guess I'm the main topic. Flip, whole lot of profit. They watch like a TV, we spin like a CD. He said that he with it, we know that he fly. Got shooters on go, and I know they gon' blow. If they catch him up, man, I know they gon' pop it. Skrappa. Say the wrong shit, I'ma spin like a fidget. No bitch martial art, but she love how I kick it. He under that trip and my niggas gon' spin it. He up on the news and they talk about he missing. He really ain't flipping, that nigga addicted. He took him a drug and got hooked like he fishing. I don't tell much when I do, they gon' listen. Gotta run up the money, no time for no bitches.